Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. This temporary decision was made in the context of declining demand for gemstones in the international market. Russian mining giant Alrosa has temporarily suspended rough diamond sales in September and October to avoid overstocking and falling prices amid weak demand, the company announced on Thursday. The decision was taken at the request of India's Gems and Jewellery Export Promotion Council, JEPC, following a meeting of India's leading diamond cutters. The decision to discontinue rough diamond allocations reflects Alrosa's commitment to stabilizing the balance between market supply and demand. Given the current downward demand trend, Alrosa believes that this move will help avoid overstocking, especially ahead of the Diwali season, when many manufacturers traditionally close their doors, JEPC said in a statement. Alrosa's press service told RBK that it has a strong, high-quality asset base and a stable financial position, which will allow the company to weather the suspension without incurring losses heavy. The press service added, "We hope that this will have a stabilizing effect to support market balance and enhance the stability of links in the diamond supply chain early next year." Earlier this month, JEPC chairman Vipul Shah said the country's diamond industry is concerned about several issues affecting the gemstone trade, including falling demand pressure, the impact of synthetic diamonds, production and polishing inventory problems, economic downturn in the US and China, globally, geopolitical instability and changing consumer preferences. According to Shah, exploring mechanisms to manage the supply and price of natural diamonds through cooperation among miners could help balance the market. Alrosa's decision does not appear to have any connection with the bans proposed by the G7 and the EU on the sale of Russian diamonds. The measures expected to be announced next month will consider restrictions on direct and indirect diamond exports from Russia, as well as a tracking mechanism that would allow Western countries to determine the origin of diamonds. Gemstone. The measure, if adopted, could result in Russian gems processed in India being banned from Western markets. Indian diamond traders have warned that the ban could be disastrous for the entire sector. According to a recent report by the Economic Times, the Indian diamond industry cuts and polishes 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world at a processing center in the city of Surat. A possible embargo would jeopardize Surat's 4,000 diamond processing companies, which employ at least 1 million people. According to media reports, India's exports of cut and polished diamonds have decreased as American and European companies have abandoned buying diamonds from Russia. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.